In today's video, I'll show you how to use the inbox in Asana. Think of the inbox as your personal notification hub. Anytime someone assigns you a task, leaves a comment, or mentions you, it all shows up right here so nothing slips past you. Let's open it. I'll click Inbox in the left sidebar. Here's the main view, called Activity. Notice how your notifications are neatly grouped by date, with a Today section and a Yesterday section, so the newest updates are always right at the top. Up top, you've also got some handy controls. There's Filter to narrow down what you see, and Sort to reorder your notifications however you like. Now watch what happens when I hover over a notification. A little set of buttons appears on the right. From here, you can bookmark an update to save it for later, or archive it once you're done with it. Speaking of archiving, let me click the Archive tab. This is where every notification goes once you've cleared it from your activity list, keeping your main view clean and focused. I'll head back to my activity with the Back to Activity button. Quick recap, the inbox collects all your notifications in one place, grouped by date. You can filter and sort them, hover to bookmark or archive, and check the Archive tab for anything you've already handled. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.